Hi, my name is Klaus Inspector today. It's a post-purchase inspection. You purchased this vehicle. This is a Japanese import. It's a 2012, so registered, I believe, 2024 in the UK. Regards to bodywork, overall is good. All the readings are into the expected specifications minus gauge tolerances. There's several dings on this present here and here. This section has poor repair standard. It's got repair on this section, so it's got blisters and solvent marks. So as there's a cracked filler on a bumper, poor repair on this section. Rest of the vehicle visually, like I said, is in a good condition. Few scratches on a bonnet visible, few stone chips, few color-coded marks, but in general it's good. All the panel alignments are good. Here can be adjusted as a bit dipped, but it's a so I think 13.5-year-old car, so consider everything good. So if you're getting too picky, then this door can be slightly adjusted. It's still slightly sticking out for some reason. Tires, there are advisories, rear pads advisory. There's a NOx sensor issue, sulfur rising advisory. It needs attention. Not bringing engine management light on, but it's developing. Interior is in excellent condition for its age. Also, I would be expecting this for a Japanese car. Also, a few trim deterioration cracks present. It drives and performs in a good manner. Regards to underside, there's a damaged engine. Regards to underside, there's a damaged engine undershield and plastic carpet type shields on both sides. On left side there is dent in a body. I'm not sure how it's got damage. More likely, if it's been in a container, it could be a transit damage, or it's been driven onto something, but there's no like a more apparent damage. So yeah, so that is just it's obviously it's not a bad car. It's a good vehicle for its age. I mean, very good because it's a Japanese car, and obviously few improvements you can do. So there's no service history as you purchase this privately. Also, there's no recent service carried out, so you need to get up to the maintenance standards. Regards to interior, obviously you got Japanese navigation, which doesn't work for this. Radio somehow works. That's left in kilometers. That's good, and the mileage you can see on the speedo. Otherwise, thanks for using us. So it's not a bad choice of the car. Thanks. All expected for the age.